Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. So today we're back at Dab-Tuun's hide, and let's take a look at some of the individual species that we saw there. So we're beginning with this one, which is the bar-backed partridge. The bar-backed partridge is a pretty common resident bird here, but not always so easy to see due to their environment and their behaviour. And of course, they're probably always worried that they're going to end up on somebody's plate. Thankfully, hunting has been pretty much eradicated from these areas now, as the people who run these hides realise they can make more money from photographers than from capturing the birds to sell one time in the market. You can hear in the background here the call of the large scimitar babbler. But if you want to find the bar-backed partridge, you know what we say: learn the sound, find the bird. Bar-backed partridges are usually found in small flocks or small groups of about 4 to 10 birds, usually consisting of 2 parents and their lady's offspring. They like to feed on seeds and small shells, insects, anything they can find on the forest floor. The males are similar in colour to the females. They're mostly buff in colour. But look carefully here and you'll see the male has red feathers around its throat, which during the breeding season they are exposed to attract a mate. They usually breed around May to June, laying their eggs in a hole covered with bamboo and grass. Well, that's it for now, for another little video, this time on the bar-backed partridge. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos coming from Dab-Tuun's hide very soon. That's all for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.